Alright, there we go. Nice. Got it! And we're out.
How's that for landing?
That was pretty cool. I'm on it. As the engine quits on him. Oh, sweet. Oh! Okay. Oh, jeez. God, that's beautiful. Except for that. That's cool. He's gonna be long, man. As he hits Mike.
That thing's got a lot of dihedrals.
There he goes. Ooh, it's down to one piece. Ooh.
Okay, that wind was, oh man.
Gonna do a go around?
No, I'm not going around. That stunk.
Oh, that was great. In one piece, man. Nice.
You have flaps on it? We need flaps on it.
Sure you don't want to air fight my Stuka? Take it up again.
This is no, how heavy this thing is.
Well, yeah, 7 like 7.
Good.